Taking a screenshot on your Android phone is one of the easiest things you can do, and once you start using it, you will wonder how you ever went without it. Whether it's saving a receipt, capturing part of a conversation, or grabbing a quick image from social media, screenshots are super handy. The most common way to do it is with a simple button combination. Just press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Hold them for about a second and you will usually see a quick flash on your screen, or maybe even hear a shutter sound. And that's your screenshot saved instantly. This method works on almost every Android device, from brands like Xiaomi and Realme to OnePlus, even Pixels and many more. If your phone supports gestures, there might be even an easier option. Some Android devices allows you to swipe 3 fingers down and it will take a screenshot like that. To check if this option is available on your device, go to settings and search for gesture screenshot. And here you can see take a screenshot, slide 3 fingers down and it will take a screenshot. Now if you want a hands-free option, there is another method, which is using Google Assistant. So if you have enabled it, you can simply say, hey Google, take a screenshot, and your phone will immediately capture whatever on your screen and without needing any touch. This can be really useful when your hands are full, if your phone's buttons are a little hard to reach. And that's it. 3 simple ways to take a screenshot on almost any Android phone. Use the both combo, try gestures, and if your phone supports them, or go completely hands-free with Google Assistant. Quickly, simple, and super useful.